London, Europe's capital of fashion and innovation. Everyone is here, from big industry players to the latest cutting-edge designers. To help you take advantage of this great mixture, our team at London Expo would like to invite you to the second International Trade Fair for Textiles and Fabrics. Among many exciting manufacturers' stands and boutique labels, our program includes a fashion show and conference. The London Expo 2019 will be held at the renowned Contemporary Congress Centre, here in the heart of central London. Whether you want to source your next fabric, network, or just enjoy the fashion show, London Expo will not disappoint. If you want to visit London Expo 2019, apply for your free ticket at londonexpo.com.